This week on 2-Minute Talk Tips, Jayne Sanders joins us to talk about speaking, purpose, and scientific hand analysis.
I tried to memorize the whole thing. And it doesn't often work. You forget one word and you're tripped up. Well, they want you to be human. You know, the authenticity, I think, is so important. They just want you to be real. And rather than this perfectly rehearsed robot, up on stage, they want to know who you are. And who we is ain't perfect. Or a presentation. I'm just talking. I'm just sharing with the audience. That's one of my talents, is systems and processes, in my business. And I find that carries forward in everything. Keeps me focused and not forgetting things, number one, but then I don't have to worry about it, and that frees my mind so I can be more creative. And the keynote you just have to be bigger. Your purpose can evolve. There's no one expression of purpose for anybody. Workshops and retreats are more fulfilling because I feel I can go deeper. They're longer. I got more time to really dig in. What you put out in terms of emotion and energy is what you're going to get back. Like, you can't go from despair to ecstasy, right? That's crazy. But you can go from despair to hope.
To hear our whole conversation, visit 2minutetalktips.com/Jayne or subscribe to 2-Minute Talk Tips in your favorite podcast app.